Hi, good day. My name is Mark Mellor. I'm a principal here at the Mellor Law Firm. I wanted to speak with you briefly today about a question I have many times with my San Bernardino clientele. They always want to know what the basic difference is between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy. So when we're filing a bankruptcy for our clients in the San Bernardino and San Bernardino County area, we explain to them the difference, and it primarily deals with what your needs are as a client. First of all, the difference with Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Chapter 7 is a discharge of all the debt, meaning whatever debt you're carrying, you're discharging it all, and there's no repayment of that debt. Chapter 13, however, you're discharging the debt, but there is a portion of repayment. You could repay 100 cents on the dollar, you could repay 10 cents on the dollar. That's up to the trustee, and a little bit of calculations depending on your gross monthly income and what your amount of your debt you're carrying is. That's the primary difference between the two. Chapter 13, some portion of repayment, and then Chapter 7, no repayment, just a discharge of all the debt. The other difference is Chapter 7 will be completed in about 90 to 120 days from the date of filing, whereas a Chapter 13 filing will take 3 to 5 years to complete before you get a discharge from bankruptcy. So a couple of major differences between the two. Those are primarily important, and they're based upon your gross annual income and based on California statistics. Where you sit in that median income will either qualify you or disqualify you for the filing of a Chapter 7 and mandate the need for you to file Chapter 13. But that's something we can obviously help you out with and take a look at. The other thing I think is important to mention in this economic time period is something called a lien stripping. Lien stripping occurs only in Chapter 13. You can't get a lien stripping to take place in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, so another distinction between the two. If you're not familiar with the term lien stripping, it applies to instances where you have a home that's underwater here in the Inland Empire, San Bernardino especially. We're about 50% underwater, meaning the value of the home has gone below the value of the mortgage encumbering the home. So if you have a mortgage that's $500,000, your home's worth $250,000, you're about 50% underwater like everyone else in the Inland Empire. If that's the case, the lien stripping process can occur when you have a second on the home, and the bankruptcy court has the power to strip that second from your home provided you meet certain criteria. You have to file a Chapter 13, which takes 3 to 5 years, but once you complete that repayment plan, the bankruptcy court can strip the second from your home and give you an immediate injection of equity back into the home, especially when you're underwater, so that you're either not underwater as much or you're at equilibrium, basic loan-to-value ratio with respect to your first. That also depends on what the value of your home is and what the value of the first is, but nonetheless, all distinctions with respect to a Chapter 7, Chapter 13. For more information, please give us a call. You can call myself or my partner Alan Sanders. We'd be happy to help you and explain more that are more detailed to your particular circumstances. Thank you for your attention.